Hi and welcome to my Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica and today's video is a grocery haul. And we will start back here. I love these blue corn chips. I got 3 bags. Those are 75 cents a bag. Then I picked up some orange juice. It's not organic. It's just regular Minute Maid, $1.50. I got 4 of those. Over here we have miscellaneous cereals. These puffins were 3 for $1. The vanilla almond flax were 2 for $1. And the Cinnabunnies were $1.50. I also grabbed 4 boxes of Annie's Organic Pop-Tarts. These are 75 cents. Here's some non-GMO peanut butter for $1. We've got 2 organic yellow mustards. They were 2 for $1. I'm always running out of basil, so I grabbed 4 of these organic basil for 75 cents a piece. I normally don't buy gum, but these were 4 for $1. They are labeled $1 a piece, but I paid 4 for $1 for these. My kids are constantly asking for gum. I figure I'd just grab a couple and see how long it takes them to go through that. Here I've got some non-food items really quick. These 2 items were $1.50 a piece. I got some little disposable plates for $1 and a light bulb also for $1. We go through a lot of rice and we really like jasmine, so we're going to try this brown jasmine rice. These bags were $2.25 a piece. I got 3 of those. My youngest has been asking for raviolis since last month's shopping trip, and these were on for $1.99, so I got 10 of them. There's 8 cans of organic pinto beans, 2 for $1. The pasta selection was very low. I got 6 boxes of mac and cheese, 2 for $1. Here's some peanut butter cookies and some cheddar bunnies, and those were all 69 cents a box. The ice creams each run $1.99. Here is a 5-pound block of extra sharp cheddar cheese for $18.49. And I'm not sure how much the mozzarella is, but it was $2.79 a pound. I grabbed 4 boxes each of the double chocolate brownie mix and the chocolate chip cookie mix. Those were all 2 for $1. I thought these looked really interesting. So they're Japanese style soba noodles and undo noodles. They're non-GMO and I got them 2 for $1. We have 4 boxes each of these granola bars. This is the protein toasted coconut, the chewy harvest berry, and the kid-sized chewy oatmeal raisin. I don't buy sodas or canned drinks usually, but the juice selection at the store was very slim. So the kids really wanted to try this Santa Cruz organic lemonade. It must be carbonated. So we did pick up 2 cases. They were each $2 a case. They also wanted to try these. These are 50 cents a piece or 2 for $1. This was really the only bottled juice that they had this month, so I picked up 4 of them. This tart cherry juice was $1 a piece. And then we have this organic electrolyte drink, and these were 40 cents a piece. Lastly, I picked up 8 jars of organic applesauce, and that's 99 cents a jar. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below. Don't forget to hit the bell for notification of new uploads. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.